1934. And no, I haven't invented popcorn. My name is Idaho Potatoes. Yum, yum, yum. So I have just invented popcorn. And now, my evil genius brother, who's standing right behind me, Flashlight Bob, has taken my idea. Also, this is what's called the quest for popcorn. So now, I shall, go get my popcorn back. UV light, shining stars. Yay, yay, yay! Chapter 2, the quest for popcorn. Well, getting the popcorn. We're here at the popcorn station where he is illegally selling it. So, I will be there in about 5 minutes. Want to watch me dance? It's my birthday. Oh no! You better not be getting this! Chapter 3, the movie theater. Oh look! My amazing friend, Freddy Fart. Louisiana Larry. Gosh, that's his nickname. You know how, peasants can be. So I'm back for the quest for popcorn. So, chapter 4. Arriving at the popcorn station. Time to get the popcorn! Where's the popcorn? We need the flashlight, guys. Turn on the flashlight. Swaggin'. Turn the light on. I am the evil trying to steal Poppy the popcorn. Okay. Louisiana Larry. Five. I have my popcorn. You took my popcorn. Flashlight Bob. Dang it, I dropped my I retrieved my popcorn, the popcorn dance. That's enough, my evil brother. No, you tricked me. Knocked out, spoiled again.